is our bathroom fan. It is a 9-inch Climate Keeper high velocity fan for the bathroom due to the fact that the Lakewood had burnt out. It's the same one I have by the bed, and the same one I have in the window is just the 18-inch version of it with a 1.5 amp motor, 180 watts. These are 0.80 amp motors with like 90 or maybe, 90 watts. 80, 90 watts, something like that. Very strong, good enough for the bathroom. I know it's modern day, I know it's crap to most of you vintage fan people, but good enough for the bathroom. So don't leave any rude comments. Thanks for watching this video. Peace and God bless all of y'all. And once again, as always, gone.